In today's video, I will be showing you how to completely remove Origin from your Windows 10 PC or laptop. The program we will be using will basically scan for any leftover files that Origin leaves after the uninstall, and then it will then remove those files, making it as if Origin was never installed on your machine. This will mean if you ever installed Origin again, it will almost be like a fresh install on your Windows 10 system. The first thing you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to click on Portable underneath Freeware, and we now need to go Save File. Once the portable version of Revo Uninstaller has finished downloading, we can now open up the zip folder. You now need to drag the folder to your desktop, and we now need to open the folder that we just extracted, and you now need to run this file here, the Revo U port, and you then need to agree to the terms if you agree, and it will now begin to search your system for all the programs that are installed, and also games. Once it has finished scanning your system, you now need to click in this box here with the magnifying glass and type in Origin. You now need to select Origin, and we now need to right click and go uninstall. You now need to keep make a system restore point selected if you do want to create one. I recommend keeping it selected, and then click on continue. You will now have the Origin uninstall window pop up like you normally would. We now need to click on uninstall, and we now need to press finish, and you now need to click on advanced. We now need to press scan again, and you will now see all the leftover registry keys. As you can see, there are currently a lot of keys left behind from Origin. If you're happy to delete these keys, go ahead and press select all and then delete, and you now need to press yes. And it will now show you all the leftover folders that Origin has left behind. And as you can see, there are actually quite a lot of folders it has left behind, especially in like the app data temp area. It's also left some in program data, as you can see at the top here. You can go ahead and delete these folders if you want, but just keep in mind if it has detected your game files and you have left your games on your PC because you want to use them at a later date instead of having to download them again, then you don't want to select those folders. I can't actually see any of my games on here, so it's actually alright to select all and then go delete. I will also post in the description below a link to a video that I will be doing of how to restore games when you do a nice fresh install of Origin. You now need to go yes to delete those folders, and there you go. That is how to completely remove Origin from your Windows 10 system. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.